Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll start learning a new surah, and the name of the surah is Surah Al-Lahab. So, we'll practice this surah, inshallah Azza wa Jal, word by word with proper Tajweed rules. So, let's begin with the video. Read after me. Surah Al-Lahab Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So there are five ayahs in the surah. We'll begin with ayah number one. Let's read after me. Tabbat. Press the ba. Hold it for a second. Tabbat. Yeah. Put a little bit pressure on the letter ba. Tabbat. Good. Yada. Stretch the dal because it's a alif madda as well as there's a mad sign as well. So whenever you see this sign, we have to stretch. Yada. Abi. Yeah, you heard it right. We'll stretch the bar here as well because of Yamada. Lahabiu. Lahabiu. High soft, so make sure you don't use your force. Lahabiu. Watab. You heard it right. Hold the ba and make sure the sound will bounce back because this is a letter of qalqala and we're gonna bounce back here. Watab. Good. Practice together. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. Good. ما أغنى. Wine is a heavy letter. Read it heavy. أغنى عنه ماله. Straight to her because there is an inverted comma here. ماله وما. Straight to me because there is a alif madda. كسب. كسب. The ba will bounce back again here. سيصلى. Stretch the lam here because there is a vertical fatha on the top. سيصلى نارا. Ra will be heavy as well as there will be a ikfa sound here. نارا ذات لهب. لهب. Yeah, ba will bounce back here as well. وامرأته. To. How will be sakin here because there is a ta. Ta is the sign of waqf. Wherever you see this letter, we're gonna pause there, and this is compulsory. This is better to pause on the letter ta. Okay. وامرأته حما. Yes, stretch. لا تل. Ta will joining with the next lam here. لا تل حطب. حطب. Make sure you're pronouncing the letter ha with a sharp sound, and ta will be heavy. حطب. Fi. We'll stretch this again because of ya madda, as well as you can see there is a ya sakin. Before that there is a kasrah, so we're gonna stretch this one as well because of a ya madda here. Fi jidiha. Stretch the ha because of alif madda. Hablum. You heard it right. We're gonna take the sound into our nose because there is a rule of idgham applying here. Mim masad. Masad. Read it together now. في جيدها حبل من مسد. Yes. Listen to each words again. Practice the surah. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, we'll see you in the next surah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.